Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. So today we are going to do a little bit of love on our lower back, right? So join me in a seated position and let's get straight to it. So gently soften your gaze and close your eyes. Place your hands in Chin Mudra on your kneecap, sit tall and observe your breath. Just see how you're feeling right now. Great. Let's take a deep breath through our nostrils. And exhale. Nice and slow, big inhale again. And exhale. One last one, real nice love to your body, your mind. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Great. So join me in a cat-cow position. I'm going to keep my notebook, especially on these short videos, so I stick to the routine and stick to the time. So cat-cow is your knees apart. The distance is going to be the length of your forearm. Place your forearms on your elbows, fingers spread, and we're ready. Right? So inhale, drop your belly, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back like a cat. Inhale, drop your belly, gaze up, visualize your spine. Exhale, arch your back. Inhale, really good for a strong back, strong spine. Exhale, bring yourself inward. Two more, inhale. Nice and slow. Exhale, arch your back. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Great job. So I'm going to move a little forward because the next movement may need a little more distance. So you're going to bring your head, your forehead inward, your right knee inward, and inhale, gaze up, leg out. Exhale, in. Inhale, let's keep going. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. So really good for a strong back, right? So bring your forehead inward again, left knee inward. Ready? Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Go with the breath. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Great job. Deep breathe here. Big inhale through your nostrils and exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils and exhale. Great job. You're doing good. So let's come into a seated position. Extend your legs in front, right? So just because it's regarding the back doesn't mean we don't use the other part and mobilize the other part. We need everything for whatever that may be, right? We need to integrate. All right. So you're going to mobilize. You're going to move your ankles to your right side. In case you cannot see that, it's just like that. Now opposite. Great. Get that lower body blood flow. Shake your legs. Good. You're going to tighten your kneecap. Let go. Tighten. Let go. Healthy knees. Tighten. Let go. Last one. Tighten and hold. But you're going to breathe normally. Just your kneecaps are tightened, right? And sometimes there's like a connection. If you have back pain, sometimes it can be because of your knee, or you can get knee pain because of your back pain, right? So relax your kneecaps. So that needs to be, especially in sciatica, you can get like stiff knee if you do have a back pain. So I'm going to turn this way. You're going to bring your feet together, right? And you're going to interlace your fingers, tuck them under your toes, and you're going to flap. So this is really good to open up the pelvis, right? That's it. Keep flapping. Healthy hips equals strong back, right? Because they're all working together as a family. So we need to give that love, give that attention to each part. So as you flap, I'm not having a great, so keep going a little deeper as you go into the movement, right? That's it. Good job. Now you're going to place your hands on your legs and you're going to rock from side to side. Side to side. That's it. Now you might feel a little massage on your back, on your glutes. So you're going to move a little forward, move your head a little forward. So pressure is now in the front part of your knee, right, kind of, and your front part of the butt, right? Now you're going to move a little towards your middle, the weight towards the middle. You'll feel it getting massaged in a different area, right? So that's the idea, right? We are now moving a little away from yourself. You're massaging the outer side of your glutes. I hope you feel. Now let's move again a little inward. Now you feel different massage, right? And now a little forward and a different area. So this is really good. And to the back, to the middle and to the back. There you go. You'll feel how amazing these small subtle movements are, right? Bring your knees together, shake your legs. Great. Let's lie down on the mat, right, to the bridge pose with a variation of a little movement as well. First, shake your neck from side to side. Great. You're going to bring your feet together. That's it. Bend your knees, place your feet a little closer to your glutes. Then inhale, body up, and exhale, body down. Inhale, body up, and exhale, body down. Let's keep going. Up and down, strengthening your glutes. Up and down, up and down. Really powerful. Up and down. Last one, up and hold. You feel that you can do even 10, 20, right? It's really good to strengthen that, the glutes. Because these are areas that we rarely use, right? Unlike our hands. So we don't tend to give attention, and then they become weak, and we become, and they give pain, right? Or injury as well. And relax. Great job. Relax your legs, shake your legs. Let's deep breathe. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Great. We're going to do another massage on our lower back. It's kind of integration of the gas pose as well, right? Pavana Muktasana. You're going to bring your thighs a little closer to your chest, right? And you're going to interlace your fingers, place it on the shin, right? But this time you're not going to come up that way like the usual pose, but we are going to massage. So make sure even if you let go of your hands, actually just let go of your hands and rotate your legs so you'll massage the lower back, alright? Now as you move a little forward, you'll get the massage on your lower pelvis, alright? Then you move a little further, you'll feel the massage moving a little in a different direction, right? Little lower, I know it's really good for your core as well, and a little lower, and a little lower. And now let's move it back the same way we came, but the opposite rotation, right? It's good for a strong core as well. And slowly move it forward again, coming towards you. Now we're at the center, right? And now we're moving to the upper back. And done. Let's finish it off with the good old, what do you call it? Child's pose, right? That's it. Stay here, feel those hips opening up. Pull your knees towards you, your thighs towards you, and release. Great job. So let's deep breathe here. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Relax your pelvis. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Great job. One more little movement that we have to do to strengthen that back. We have a few more minutes. Excuse my hair. Alright, so settle down in Makarasana. So that is opposite palms on your opposite shoulders and your feet flat, heel flat on the mat. So deep breathe here. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale to your nostrils. And exhale. Great job. So you're going to place your hands, palms, beside your shoulders, feet together, Then let's do up down or the cobra, right? We're not going to do the full pose, just to strengthen our and mobilize our back. Let's move inward, up, inhale, and exhale, inhale, and exhale, inhale, good job, exhale, 2 more, inhale, exhale, inhale, stay here, deep breathe, feel that stretch in your back, your pelvis, and down, nice job. Okay, so you're going to tuck your toes, let's settle in, counter it. Usually it's a locust pose, but because we just did the movement, we're going to counter it with the child's pose. So make sure your forehead is all the way on the mat. I'm not going there because if that's, then you won't hear me. So go all the way down. Begin inhale through your nostrils and exhale. Let's take one more breath. Inhale. Visualize your lower back and exhale. Awesome. Really good job, girls and boys, if you are. Just lie down on Shavasana. Let's cool down and then we finish the session. And as I always say, please don't skip the cooling down. The reason I include it in each of my videos is because it's really important to balance your energies, to protect yourself. And you get the benefit if you give the body that time to really relax. So this is Shavasana. I'm going to come into a seated position so I can instruct you, right? You all remain in a lying down position. Visualize yourself lying on the mat, hands apart, feet apart, completely relaxed. Gently move your awareness up your shin, your knees, your hips. Relax your legs completely. And relax your abdomen completely, your lower back completely. Relax your chest, your shoulders. Relax your hands. Relax your face. Relax the back of your head, your your crown of your head. You are completely relaxed from the crown of your head to the tip of your toes. Let's take 5 abdominal breaths, nice and slow. Inhale through your nostrils and exhale. Begin inhale through your nostrils and exhale, nice and slow. 3 more to go. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, nice and slow. Big inhale and exhale. Great job. Bring your feet together, hands together, and turn to your right side and very gently come into a seated position. Place your hands in Chin Mudra on your kneecaps. Sit tall. Let's take 2 abdominal breathings again. Big inhale through your nostrils and exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils and exhale. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Awesome. I'm so happy that you took the time and did this session and give a little love to your lower back, your back, and really good job on taking the time. And if you can, lie down on the mat and cool down even more. Even 5 minutes more would be ideal, right? And then have a shower. So thanks again for joining, and I will see you next time. Have a blessed day. Bye for now.